When Kate and I started the homestead, we really wanted to have animals, and it was really nice to have pigs. We didn't want to have them for the entire year and take care of them in the winter, but having them during the summer and having that life there and being able to feed them the leftover vegetables, it's a joy. I really like them. And we've kind of passed that on to
feed them every day? They want to know.
the kids. We kind of saw it as like, let's have them have a chore where they can, feed the pigs each day and check on their water. But it transformed into certainly something else where,
there is mud.
You
spray them with water?
It's an incredible responsibility to have an animal which you're going to slaughter and take its life and eat it. And so for them to see it and be involved in it from the beginning to the end, to take care of them and love them and know that, they're going to give them, the most incredible life we can, and that it's not all a terrible thing. It's one bad day out of a lot of great days. And the kids have come to really enjoy having the pigs at the farm and being involved in going and getting the piglets and bringing them back home and making a home for them. And sharing in that, incredibly important responsibility. I was a vegetarian for 30 years, and so it's a complicated subject for me. And I don't think there's an easy answer, but I want the kids to experience it in the best way possible, and they can make up their own minds about it.